ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। On Friday we saw Abhyasa 5, just page number 10. We saw Bhavan and Bhavati. So Tvam in male is Bhavan with respect, in female with respect Bhavati. So Aap basically in male and female. Bhavan, Bhavantau, Bhavantaha. This is Prathama Vibhakti for Bhavan. And for Bhavati it is Bhavati, Bhavatyau, Bhavatyaha. We also saw Janakaha, father, Putraha, son, Upadhyayaha, guru, Naraha, man, Suryaha, sun, Chandraha, Chandrama, Pragnyaha, Vidwan, Sajjanaha, Durjanaha, Shishyaha, Prashnaha. These different Sanya Shabdas we saw and certain Dhatu Shabdas also. All of these will come today. So for a minute we just wanted to catch up and recap whatever we did on Friday. Now for page number 11. उदाहरण वाक्य, आप जाते हैं, भवान गच्छति. So they also said that Bhavan is different from Tvam in the sense Tvam uses Madhyama Purusha. So Tvam, you eat, will be Tvam Kadasi. But with Bhavan it will be Bhavan Kadati. Prathama Purusha is used for Bhavan. So आप जाते हैं, भवान गच्छति. आप सब जाते हैं, भवन्तः गच्छन्ति. आप हंसती है, भवती हसति. In this context, पुत्रः भोजनं खादति. सुंदर जी, भवान वदतु. पुत्रः भोजनं खादति. हिंदी में और in English. How would you translate?
बेटा भोजन खाता है.
हाँ, पुत्र भोजन खाता है. हाँ. हरि जी, पुत्रः क्रीडति.
Putra is son. Kridati is Prathama Ekavachana, son plays.
You have to say Prathama Purusha.
Play.
Ekavachana. Sandhya ji, Pushpam patati.
Fool. Patati, I don't know.
Falls. Okay, no problem. It falls down. It is given in page number 10. So if you don't know meanings of any words, you have to see the Abhyasa Shabdas earlier in the Abhyasa. Page number 10, 5th line, Pat. 4th line, Pat is Girna. Bhavan vadatu Sundarji, Ramaha Ishwaram Smarati.
रामः भगवान को याद करते हैं.
हाँ. भवानेव वदतु, नृपः राज्यं जयति.
राजा राज्य जीतता है.
हाँ, सही, समीचीनम् अस्ति. हरि जी, शिष्यः पुस्तकं तत्र नयति.
शिष्यः प्रथमवचने एकवचनं.
प्रथमा विभक्ति.
एकवचनं. पुस्तकं नपुंसकलिङ्गं. Can be one or more books.
No, one. Pustake will be.
Pustakam. Shishya pustakam tatra nayati. The Shishya, the student, took the book there.
Takes. Tatra nayati.
Take the book there.
Samichnam asti. Bhavaneva. Durjanaha dhanam harati.
Durjanaha dhanam harati. Durjana, the bad people. Dhanam is wealth or money. Harati is steal.
Okay. Bad people steal money.
Steals money.
समीचीनम् अस्ति. सेकेंड अभ्यास संस्कृत बनाओ. सुंदर जी वदतु. बालक घर जाता है संस्कृत में.
बालः गृहान् गच्छति.
गृहान्
गृहं गच्छति.
द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचन. गृह शब्द यदि गृहं, राइट. गृहं गृहे गृहाणि गृहं गृहे
गृहं गच्छति.
हरि जी, मनुष्य आते हैं.
मनुष्य आते हैं. मनुष्यः आते आगच्छति.
मनुष्याः आते हैं वुड बी
मनुष्याः आगच्छन्ति.
समीचीनमस्ति.
If it is plural,
आते हैं, हाँ, आगच्छन्ति. संध्या जी, पुत्र पिता को नमस्कार करता है.
पुत्र
हाँ.
जनकः
जनकम
जनकं नमस्कारं गच्छन्ति.
करोति. नमति. नमति इज सिंपल. नमति. पुत्रः जनकं नमति.
नमस्कारं
नमति. नमति.
नमति.
नामति. ओके. और नमस्कारम करोति. इफ यू वांट टू बी वेरी एलाबोरेट, नमति इज इनफ. सुंदर जी वदतु. बालक सूर्य और चंद्रमा को देखता है.
बालकः सूर्येण चंद्रेण च, राइट? नो,
सूर्येण किमर्थम? वाई सूर्येण? तृतीया विभक्ति. सूर्येण इति किम विभक्ति अस्ति?
okay, so सूर्येण will be, okay, sorry, सूर्येण will be तृतीया, right?
हाँ, सम्यक्.
So no, so it will be just सूर्यः.
हाँ, सूर्यम.
सूर्यम.
द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचन. सूर्यम
एकवचन. So सूर्यम चंद्रम च.
हाँ, चंद्रम च.
चंद्रम च, the fourth one. बालकः सूर्यम च चंद्रम च पश्यति.
समीचीनमस्ति. सूर्यं च चंद्रं च अथवा सूर्यं चंद्रं च. बालकः सूर्यं चंद्रं च पश्यति. हरि जी वदतु. शिष्य गुरु से सूर्यप्रकाश जी वदतु.
सूर्यं च चंद्रं च, is it right?
सूर्यं च चंद्रं च is correct. It is correct, but it is elaborate. In Bhashya etc., when we see Bhashya Tika etc., they will not write Suryam cha Chandram cha. They will write Suryam Chandram cha, because they want to use as few words as possible. It is correct, but it is not necessary. Suryam cha Chandram, this is wrong. Suryam cha Chandram cha is okay. Suryam Chandram cha is the best.
Thank you.
हरि जी वदतु. शिष्य गुरु से कहता है.
शिष्य गुरु से कहता है. शिष्यः
गुरु इति उपाध्यायः. Guru, okay, but Guru here is given as Upadhyaya, page number 10. So Upadhyaya shabda, Upadhyayam. Guru.
Upadhyayam.
वदति. समीचीनम् अस्ति. वदति. संध्या जी, विद्वान और सज्जन सत्य बोलते हैं.
प्रज्ञा च सज्जना च
सज्जनः सत्यं वदन्ति. See, here प्राज्ञः च सज्जनः च you can say, but better is to say प्राज्ञः सज्जनः च सत्यं वदन्ति. or not vadanti, vadati vadatah, right? Because dvitiya vibhakti, dvivachana, dvadatah. Prajnah sajjanah cha satyam vadatah. This is the best way to say that sentence. Translate.
So Akarshi, you see, when we use the term here like Vidwan and Sajjan, it can also mean more than two, right? I mean, you're not saying this Vidwan and this Sajjan. So would it not be better to say Vadanti?
But we don't know. We don't. It is an assumption that we are making. So why not say Vadati, Vadataha? It is better to assume one of each. We can say both, but we cannot say this is better or that is better. Both are correct. If you want to assume more than one, that's also okay.
Okay, no, understood. No, because usually when you say Sajjan अच्छे काम करते हैं, so you don't automatically say a good man does good things. You usually say good men do good things.
Correct. But here, Vidwan, Sajjan are anyway two, and you have to say बोलते हैं ही, plural, even for two. Okay. But your question is correct, Sundarji. It is both are good. It is not wrong to assume that there is more than one. Okay, let us say there is more than one. How would you translate that sentence?
No, so it would still be like we. 1 second, I have to go back. Sorry, I have. Today it'll take me a little while.
Okay, I will only do then. It's okay.
So Pragyah Sajjanah cha Satyam. Right? Satyam, it'll be Vadanti, no?
But Prajnah is one, Sajjanah is one.
Okay, so therefore you have to say Pragyaha Sajjanaha cha. Then we can say Satyam Vadanti.
Or you can even say Prajnah Sajjanaha cha or Prajnaha Sajjanaha cha. Any of that is okay because any of them will become three.
That's okay.
So, good question. This way when we think it becomes clear for us. Bhavan vadatu Sundarji. Durjan asatya bolte hain.
Durjanah asatyam vadati.
बोलते हैं.
So vadanti.
Durjanaha
asatyam
vadanti. Samichinam asti. Samyak. Hariji.
Balakah
Bhojanam.
Balakah bhojanam
खादति समीचीनम अस्ति. संध्या जी, पुत्र खेलता है.
पुत्रः
क्रीडति because one putra, one son is here. If putraha, then what will it be? Putraha क्रीडन्ति. Kridati, Kridataha, Kridanti.
We will end with Kridanti.
You have to see earlier abhyasa. Kridati, Kridataha, Kridanti. Okay. Sundar ji vadatu. Phool girta hai.
Pushpam patati.
Pushpam patati. Yeah, correct. Pushpam patati. That is correct because it is Napumsakalinga. Good. Samichinamasti. Hariji.
Shishyaha Patham.
Remember.
Smaran. Karoti.
Smarati.
Smarati.
राजा राज्य को जीतता है. संध्या जी, little difficult but you can do it. राजा राज्य को जीतता है.
I'll try. Nrupaha.
सम्यक. नृपः.
Rajyam.
Correct. Rajyam. Then.
Rajyam G. G.
Okay. This is there. G will become Jayati. Okay. G Shabda will become Jayati. So Nripaha Rajyam Jayati. सम्यक, गुड.
राज्यम चयति.
चयति. सुंदर जी, बालक पुस्तक ले जाता है.
बालकः पुस्तकं नयति.
हाँ, समीचीनम्. आर्य जी.
दुर्जनाः
हाँ.
राज्यं हरन्ति.
किमस्ति, किमर्थं दुर्जनाः?
Durjan, because you need more people to
But-
take away.
राज्य को हरण करता है, सो हियर इट इज दुर्जनः only.
Yes.
Logic is correct.
Hariji, we have one Elon Musk. You don't need Durjanaha.
Logic is strong, but here Durjanaha is okay. Okay. संध्या जी, तू पढ़ता है.
ते पठति.
त्वम, why ते? Te is they. Te is for that person. See, the multiple them. Saha tau te. This is tvam. Tvam
त्वं पठति.
patasi. You have to see earlier abhyasa. Who is next? Sundar ji?
Me.
हाँ, सुंदर जी. तू सत्य बोलता है.
त्वं सत्यं वदसि.
हाँ, भवान एव वदतु. सुंदर जी, तू भोजन करता है.
त्वं भोजनं खादसि.
हाँ,
और
खादसि.
करोसि.
हाँ,
करोषि.
करोषि. हाँ,
करोषि.
करोषि. भवानेव वदतु. मैं यहाँ आता हूँ.
मैं यहाँ आता हूँ. अहम अत्र आगच्छामि.
समीचीनम् अस्ति. हरि जी, मैं खेलता हूँ.
मैं खेलता हूँ. अहम खेल is
क्रीड.
अहम क्रीडामि.
मैं पुस्तक ले जाता हूँ.
अहम पुस्तकं जाता is
ले जाना इज पेज 10, 5th लाइन. नी धातु.
नयामि.
नयामि. समीचीनम्. आप यहाँ आते हैं.
भवान.
हाँ.
आप इस भवान अहम अत्र आगच्छन्ते. that is should be
आगच्छति. सम्यक, समीचीनम् अस्ति. वेरी नाइस. ओके. संध्या जी, आप सब वहाँ जाते हैं. दिस इज लिटिल डिफिकल्ट बट यू कैन डू. आप सब वहाँ जाते हैं. आप इज भवान. लेफ्ट. सुंदर जी वदतु. आप सब वहाँ जाते हैं.
भवन्तः तत्र आगच्छन्ति.
Sorry, it got disconnected.
इट्स ओके. हाँ, भवन्तः. नो, 1 सेकेंड. सुंदर जी वदतु. भवन्तः तत्र
गच्छन्ति. वहाँ जाते हैं.
गच्छन्ति. करेक्ट. ओके. संध्या जी, अस्तु. आप सत्य बोलती हैं.
It's भवन्तः, right?
आप इज सी. आप is Bhavan. We saw on Friday. Bhavan for male, Bhavati for female. Here, आप सत्य बोलती है would be what?
भवान.
Bhavan is for male. सत्य बोलती है. भवती.
भवती.
हाँ, भवती.
सत्यम.
सत्यम.
सत्यम. Just now I said.
वद धातु.
वदन्ति.
वदति. वदति. Only एकवचन. भवती सत्यम वदति. हाँ, हरि जी, आप सब पुस्तकें पढ़ती हैं.
भवान पुस्तकं पठन्ति.
आप सब
is भवान. No, not so. Sorry. How?
पढ़ती है तो स्त्रीलिंग है.
आप सब पुस्तकें पढ़ती है स्त्रीलिंग
स्त्रीलिंग।
भवती ओके
सो भवती स्त्रीलिंग,
भवती
भवती, हाँ, भवत्यौ,
भवत्यो भवत्याः
भवत्यः,
भवत्याः
भवत्यः,
पुस्तकं पठन्ति
पुस्तके is given, so plural of pustaka would be pustakani,
पुस्तकानि पुस्तकानि
pustakani
पठन्ति
pathanti. Samichinamasti. Good. Okay. So here one more third abhyasa. Now we start.
Sorry, Akashi,
yes.
just one question.
Yes.
Is it? Oh, it's just bhavati. It is just bhavatyaha, right? It's not bhavantyaha. Bhavatyaha.
Bhavatyaha.
Okay, thank you.
It is given on page 10 in that.
No, 10, I've seen.
हाँ.
Bhavatyaha patanti. That's what.
Niyam 9, 9th niyam on left. Okay. Ashuddha vakya, shuddha vakya. Ashuddha vakya bhavan agachasi, given as bhavan agachati. Sundarji, athava bhavan agachi athava द्वितीय शुद्ध वाक्य किम भविष्यति, किम अस्ति?
So here it will have to be 1 minute. It will have to be 1 second. Because it will have to be the Bhavan. Okay. Bhavantau agachasi. No?
Tvam.
No, tvam. So
Tvam agachasi.
tvam agachasi.
Tvam
Okay,
agachasi. Bhavantau would be the dvivachana of prathama purusha, right? Bhavan bhavantau would be bhavata agachatah. हाँ, ओके. भवानेव वदतु, भवानेव सुंदरजी. भवती सत्यम वदसी. एकः शुद्धवाक्य भवती सत्यम वदति अथवा
tvam satyam vadasi.
Tvam satyam vadasi. Everybody understood why we are saying tvam and not bhavati, bhavan, etc. If anybody does not understand, tell me now. Okay.
Can you say once?
Yes, sure. So bhavati satyam vadasi. Vadasi is given. Vadasi is for madhyama purusha. So it is for one person, right? Only for tvam. Tvam will go along with vadasi or gachasi or kridasi or pathasi, khadasi. All this C will go with tvam. Here they have given bhavati satyam vadasi. So either we have to change bhavati into tvam and make tvam satyam vadasi, or we keep bhavati and we have to change vadasi. So vadasi will become vadati. So here they have already given bhavati satyam vadati because bhavati goes along with prathama purusha. Tvam goes along with madhyama purusha. So tvam will go along with vadasi. And bhavati.
Always C will come with tvam.
Yes.
You have to remember.
Always.
Okay.
Always, because here not always C, always the madhyama purusha will come with tvam. So here, for example, this is present tense. In present tense, for such dhatus, it will be C. So kridasi, dhavasi, pathasi, khadasi, all these things. If it is future tense, it will be different. It will be bhavishyati, bhavishyataha. It will be somewhat different. But for this dhatu, for this tense, it is C. Okay. Now for next fourth point, क खे दो ख को द्विवचन और बहुवचन में बदलो. हरि जी वदतु. दो ख को, ख will be from
balak, the tool, right?
No, that is small k. Here नीचे below we have to say तू पढ़ता है 15th, right?
Yeah, two पढ़ता है, you have to convert to plural, right?
द्विवचन and बहुवचन. हाँ. तू पढ़ता है would be एक वचन में it is
सह कौतिक तू
त्वम.
त्वम युवाम युवे
हाँ.
युवाम
पठथः. हाँ. And यूयम
यूयम पठथ.
समीचीनम. हाँ. सेम फॉर तू सत्य बोलता है.
त्वं सत्य सत्यम बोलना is
Vad.
वदथः
Vadasi is for Tvam. Tvam Vadasi.
त्वं सत्यं वदसि
Ah.
त्वं सत्यं वदथः
Yuvam.
युवां सत्यं वदथ
Vadathaha and Yuyam.
यूयं सत्यं वदथ
Samichinam asti. Yes, it's okay. You're in the right track. Yeah. Okay. सुंदर जी वदतु तू भोजन करता है एंड मैं यहाँ आता हूँ. दोनों को द्विवचन और बहुवचन में बदलना.
So tvam bhojanam karoshi.
हाँ.
Yuvam bhojanam karoshi karatah, no?
It is there in page number 8.
Yeah.
Kurutha.
Kurutah. You know,
Yuvam
sorry.
bhojanam kurutha. It's okay. It's okay.
I have to get it right.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Yuvan bhojanam
Kurutha.
kurutha and
Yeah. Kurutah.
Yuyam.
Okay. Yuyam bhojanam. Yuyam bhojanam kurma. No, kurutah.
Kurutha.
Kurutah.
Or you can say khada. Khad dhatu can be used. Bhojanam khadasi. Bhojanam khadataha.
Khadasi, khadataha and khadata.
Khadatha. And next one, मैं यहाँ आता हूँ.
Next one. तो aham atra agacchami.
आवाम.
So, avam atra agacchavaha. And vayam atra agacchamaha.
समीचीनम अस्ति. Okay. Sandhya ji, you feel confident to try or no need? This is little difficult.
Sorry, I didn't find where it is.
Okay, we are looking at Sanskrit Banao, the second one, second point, page number 11. Line number 17 and 18 we saw now. Next we will see 19 and 20.
Okay, same thing which we saw, right?
You see second one, number 19.
Sanskrit Banao.
Sanskrit
To
Banao
11.
में Sanskrit Banao में number 19 you see.
मैं खेलता हूँ.
मैं खेलता हूँ.
हाँ.
Correct. हाँ.
Okay.
मैं खेलता हूँ. We have to change. This is ekavachana. So we have to change मैं खेलता हूँ into द्विवचना and bahuvachana. So मैं खेलता हूँ in ekavachana would be what in Sanskrit? Aham kridami. Right?
Aham kridami.
So in द्विवचना it will be aham avam vayam. So द्विवचना will be द्विवचना will be avam avam kridavaha and vayam kridanti. Is this correct?
Not sure.
It's okay. So you have to see earlier abhyasa. Aham avam vayam is uttama purusha. Kridami kridavaha kridamaha. So aham kridami avam kridavaha vayam kridamaha. Okay. You will see it's okay. You will pick up next time. Okay.
Avam pustakah.
हाँ ओके. हाँ मैं पुस्तक ले जाता हूँ. So aham pustakam.
Aham pustakam.
हाँ नी धातु. Nayami. Difficult. It's okay. Nayami. Okay. And then avam would be
Avam pustakam. Pustakam. Not sure, sorry.
Naya vaha. Vaha. Avaha. And
Sorry?
Naya vaha. Naya vaha.
Yeah.
And vayam pustakam Naya maha. Okay. This is all given in page number which page number? 81 or something, right?
81.
Behind it will be given.
Oh.
Something like you have to see Dhatu Rupa. When you see Dhatu Rupa, you will find for Uttama Purusha how to convert. Okay. Vakya banao. Sorry. Kha. बैक टू नंबर 4, अभ्यास नंबर 4, पेज नंबर 11. ख. इन धातुओं के लट के पूरे रूप लिखो. सो भू धातु वुड बी, सुंदर जी वदतु, भू धातु.
भू धातु. So lat ke pure, so it will be bhavati, bhavata, bhavanti.
हाँ, correct. Then
Yeah, then bhavasi, bhavata, bhavata, bhavami, bhavaha, bhavamaha.
हाँ, so this is the pura roop for, so first three is for prathama purusha, saha bhavati.
Yeah.
And second 3 is for madhyama purusha, tvam bhavasi. And third 3 is for uttama purusha, aham. So aham, avam, vayam will be bhavami, bhavavaha, bhavamaha. Okay. And pat dhatu, Sundarji, pat dhatu
Is patati, patata, patanti, patasi, patataha, patatha, patami, patavaha, patamaha.
samichinam asti. Hariji, gam dhatu.
Gachadi. Gachadi, gachataha, gachanti. Gachasi, gachataha, gachatha. Gachami, gachavaha, gachamaha.
Correct. Gachami, gachaha, gachamaha. And for drish dhatu, just one, pashyati. Correct.
Pashyati, pashyataha, pashyanti. Pashyasi, pasyataha, pasyatha. Pashyami, pashyavaha, pashyamaha.
Samichnasi, bahu samyak. And stha dhatu, now just only prathama purusha ekavachana is enough. Okay. Stha dhatu. Anyone can say. Stha dhatu, pratham, tishtati. Correct.
Tishtati.
Correct. Enough. Yeah, enough. Tishtati is correct. And pa dhatu, pa, pibati. And ghra, jigrati. So this is how it will all decline. Okay. So Sundar ji, Bhavan vadatu. In shabdon ke pure roop likho. Rama shabda only. You remember? All 8 vibhaktis?
Yeah, all 8 of them. Okay, tough one. Okay, I have to keep looking at my notes. So Rama, Ramau, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramau, Raman, Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi, Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyah, Ramat, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyah, Ramasya, Ramayoho, Ramanam, Rame, Ramayoho, Rameshu.
Correct.
Rameshu.
Samyak.
And He Ram, He Ram. He Ram, He Ramau, He Ramaha.
He Rama, He Rama, He Rama, He Ramaha.
He Rama,
Rama. Very bahu samyak, Sundarji. Excellent. All 8. And
but not easy. No, this one I had to keep looking at my notes.
it's
also,
okay.
So it's
As long as we read also, it stays in the head. So it's okay. It's not a problem. But everyone was listening. So the same form it will take for balaka. Balakaha, balako, balakaha. Manushyaha, manushyo, manushyaha. Naraha, narao, naraha. In the same way, all of them will decline. Okay. 5th, vakya banao. Khadati. Hariji, khadati.
Vakya banao. Khadati. Rama khadati.
Rama khadati. Sandhya ji, क्रीडामि. वाक्य बनाओ. क्रीडामि.
One second, I'll say. क्रीडामि. बालकः. क्रीडाः.
Kridami is for which? I, you, or he. Kridami is for I, right? Uttama Purusha. So dash Kridami. I is Aham. Aham Kridami.
Aham क्रीडामि. Okay.
Bhavaneva vadatu. Sandhya ji, Bhavaneva. What is the next one? Smarami. Smarami will be
अहं स्वरामि.
अहं स्मरामि. करेक्ट, समीचीनं. हा, सुन्दर जी वदतु. भवान्.
भवान् ईश्वरं स्मरति.
भवान् ईश्वरं स्मरति. समीचीनं. भवती, हरिजी.
भवति स्मरति.
हाँ, भवती ईश्वरं स्मरति. करेक्ट. एंड भवत्यः, सुन्दर जी वदतु. भवत्यः.
सो भवत्यः
हाँ.
ईश्वरे. Should we have that or ईश्वरम?
Why not Ishwaram? 3 people can think of Ishwara.
Yeah,
Ishwara.
okay. So therefore, yeah, as we are all doing, hopefully.
Yeah.
So, so bhavat. So
भवत्यः.
भवत्यः ईश्वरं स्मरन्ति.
करेक्ट.
No?
सम्यक्, बहु समीचीनं. स्मरन्ति. ओके. रिक्तस्थान भरो. सो भवान् डैश. हरिजी. भवान्. भवान्
भवान् हसति.
हसति. भवान् हसति. संध्या जी. भवती विथ पठ धातु. भवती डैश.
भवती पठामि.
पठति. वाई पठामि. भवान् हसति. भवती ऑल्सो पठति. भवती इज यू. आप पढ़ रहे हैं. आप पठति. सुंदर जी. बालकाः.
बालकाः पठन्ति.
हाँ, हरि जी. वयं.
वयं पठावः.
वयं
वयं पठावः. पठामः.
पठामः. हाँ, भवानेव. यूयं. यूयं.
You, me, you, yuam, sorry, which one am I doing?
Fifth one. यूयं.
यूयं पठथ.
पठथ. समीचीनं.
Yeah.
यूयं पठथ. संध्या जी. पुष्पाणि. पुष्पाणि dash. You already saw pushpam patati. So pushpani would be
पुष्पाणि पतति.
pushpam patati.
पतन्ति.
Patanti. Correct. Samichinam. Patanti. See, this is progress. Pushpani patanti. Correct. Durjanah balakam. Sundar ji vadatu. Durjanah balikam.
Durjanah balakam haranti.
Balikam. Sorry. Balikam.
Balikam haranti.
Haranti किमर्थम?
Because balikam.
Durjanah.
Balikam harati. Correct. Harati. Correct. Because the tense is with the durjanah. Correct. Sorry.
भवानेव वदतु. यूयं किम खाद धातु.
Okay. So it is यूयं किम खादतः. खादथ.
खादथ.
यूयं किम खादत.
यूयं किम
खादत.
खादथ. यूयं किम खादथ. What are you all eating? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think more of this kind of practice. This is a difficult abhyasa. This is the toughest abhyasa that we have done so far. Next, tomorrow we'll see. Tomorrow, I think if we are comfortable with this, then tomorrow will also be okay. Any questions before we end? Yes.
Bhavani vadatu means next you say or
Bhavaneva. Ha, yes. Bhavan. That is what we have been reading today also. Bhavan is aap in pullinga. So to you I will say bhavati eva. Right? To Sundarji I will say bhavan eva. Hariji, Surya Prakash ji, I will say bhavan eva vadatu Sundarji. Bhavati eva vadatu Sandhyaji. So if I made that mistake, my bad. Bhavati eva vadatu means you yourself. You say. Aap boliye. Na? Bhavati vadatu.
Akarshji, after the session, can you stay back for just 2 minutes?
Sure.
Just 2 minutes.
Okay.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Bhadarayanam सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम।